Today we're embarking on a culinary journey to Italy, but with a vegan twist. Imagine the creamy richness of a traditional Italian risotto, but without any dairy. Today's recipe is a delicious vegan mushroom risotto, brought to you by vegan chef Ron Russell. This dish is not just a feast for the palate, it's also packed with nutrients. We're using ingredients that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins. This recipe combines the earthy flavors of mushrooms with the hearty satisfaction of risotto, all underpinned by a vegan cheese sauce that you won't believe is dairy-free. So, why mushrooms? They are a fantastic source of vitamin D and are known for their umami flavor profile, which is the savory deep flavor found in broths and cooked meats. This makes them a great ingredient in vegan cooking, as they add depth and richness to dishes. The cheese sauce is a blend of cashews, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, and a mixture of Italian seasonings. Cashews form the creamy base of the sauce, while nutritional yeast provides that cheesy flavor we all love. Lemon juice adds a necessary tang, and the Italian seasonings bring it all together. The risotto itself features brown rice or quinoa, your choice, both of which are high in fiber and make a great gluten-free option. Garlic and shallots are added for their aromatic qualities, and spinach for a burst of green color and an extra dose of nutrients. Now, the magic happens when we combine these ingredients. In a skillet over medium heat, we begin by sautéing the garlic, shallots, and cremini mushrooms in a bit of oil. After about 2 minutes, the spinach is added and cooked for an additional minute. Next, the cheese sauce and vegetable stock are introduced. This mixture is simmered and stirred occasionally until it starts to bubble. The result is a creamy, hearty risotto that's packed with flavor and completely vegan. To finish, each serving is drizzled with a balsamic reduction and a sprinkle of chives or parsley for decoration. The balsamic reduction adds a touch of sweetness and acidity that balances the richness of the risotto. Surely this dish is a testament to how versatile and delicious vegan cuisine can be. So why not give it a try at home? Feel free to share your results and any variations you may come up with. We hope you enjoy this culinary trip to Italy, and remember, good food is all about experimenting and having fun in your kitchen. So, until next time, buon appetito!